Welcome to today's deep dive into a topic that's shaping our future like no other: artificial intelligence, or AI. I'm here to unfold a narrative that's both compelling and critical. Who really controls AI? Let's get into the guardians of the AI revolution. Imagine this: an AI impersonates a police officer demanding money. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, it's not. It's a real-world incident that underscores the rising tide of AI-enabled scams. This chilling scenario is a wake-up call, spotlighting the urgent need for stringent regulations in the burgeoning field of AI. As we march forward with AI integration in various sectors, from security to finance, the potential for misuse grows. And here's where the new watchdogs come into play. The European Union is pioneering with something called the AI Act. This groundbreaking initiative aims to categorize AI risks and ensure that these systems uphold fundamental rights and safety. But it's not just an EU endeavor. The US and other nations are in the fray too, developing robust frameworks to govern AI. This isn't just about one country or another, it's about a global effort. International cooperation is pivotal in managing AI's expansive implications effectively. So, who are these guardians? They are a mix of policymakers, tech leaders, and regulatory bodies, each playing a crucial role in sculpting a safe AI landscape. Their mission? To harness AI's potential while thwarting its threats, ensuring it serves humanity positively. In conclusion, as we stand on the brink of an AI revolution, the role of these regulators cannot be overstated. They are not just overseers, they are the architects of a new era, an era where technology and humanity intersect with safety and ethics at the forefront. Remember, the power of AI is immense, but so is our responsibility to control it. Let's stay informed and engaged as the story of AI continues to unfold. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to share this video and spread the word about the guardians of our digital future. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning.